India, a land of myriad colors, languages, and traditions. A nation that thrives on its diversity, yet stands united as one. A country where unity in diversity is not just a phrase, but a living ethos. In the vast landscape of healthcare, diversity blooms too. From surgeons to nurses, from rural clinics to urban hospitals, healthcare in India is a vibrant tapestry of skills, knowledge, and compassion. At Medvarsity, we celebrate this diversity. We bring together doctors, nurses, and healthcare professionals from different parts of the country, uniting them through the pursuit of excellence in medical education. From the snow-clad peaks of the north to the sun-kissed shores of the south, our courses are a confluence of minds and ideas, a platform where differences in language, culture, or geography do not hinder, but enrich the learning experience. Just as our nation finds strength in its diverse cultures, we believe that diversity in healthcare fosters innovation, empathy, and excellence. Join us at Medvarsity and be a part of a journey that reflects the spirit of our great nation. A journey of unity in diversity. Happy Independence Day!